So thanks for coming back and checking out another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be trying to open one of Matt's lockpick gifts to me, which is I think it's a 3-lever, it's a 3-lever BASTA, 3-lever BASTA block, and I'm going to be using a variety of different tools. And I've got the Andy Mack levers and overlifters, not sure if you can see them very well, and I've got a variety of tension tools made out of welding rods, and I've just knocked them together, and I've got an old broken up tool that I bought off Banggood that I'm now using as a bolt turner. So various little bits and pieces. Let me just get this positioned correctly, making sure the camera don't fall. Okay, so as you can see, I'm making these bolt turners with welding rods in there, different heights. I've made a few different ones, and they've got various heights on the tips. And I've also got this Banggood tool, and it did start off looking like this. So it was one of these, not sure if you can see that there. So it was a Banggood, it was the overlifter, and so this is the second one that I bought, because the first one ended up breaking this piece, the big larger section, that bit there, started breaking, so I filed it down and turned it into some kind of bolt turner. But I did lose a little bit of the height, and then it's a bit short for most bolts, but we'll see. Take patience, it is fiddly. Once you can see there that I've got the bolt, and actually the one that this lock, you can see I've got the levers there, so it's already got I don't think that's been cut out, I think that's manufactured like that. So you can see the bolts, and I can see that I'm not actually turning the levers, I am turning the bolt, but that motion is lifting the levers slightly. So that's okay, and I'm going to go for one of the Andy Mack overlifters, and I'm going to go for a short one to start with. And it is a bit fiddly once to get it all together, but once you're in and it's all sorted, I think I'm going to lift this from the back. You can see the tool does tend to slip off now and again, but I can see from the window that it's almost there. So that one looks a bit not quite high enough. So make sure I've got the tool on the bolt. There we go. There we go. You can see that's done there, like unlocked. And as I said, this is a bit too short. You can see that, and it's not turning the bolt fully across, but you can see it has actually come all the way across. I think what I'm going to try and do, I'm going to try and, I've got the key there as you can see on the side. I'm not going to use that, I'm going to try and use one of my welding rods to get the bolt and get it locked. That one looks a bit high, so I'll try off with the short one first. And I'll go from there. So, get that in. I can see, I can feel that it's got some pressure on the bolt. It's just all getting, it's all fingers and thumbs getting the right angles. Sometimes I think they have to be double jointed. So it's just that keeps slipping off there. So let's get in there and have a quick go. And if not, I'll try one of the longer welding rods. There we go. Really quick, nice and easy. Job done. Well, thanks, Matt. I really appreciate these locks that you're sending through to me. You know, it is appreciated, and all the practice does help. And you know, anyone else who's coming, make sure that you subscribe, share the videos, and if they're useful to anyone, then yeah, I'm really thankful for that. But don't forget to check out the YouTube channels that I mentioned: Bosnian Bill, Matt's Lock Pit, Lock Noob, Helpful Lock Picker. There's loads, so check those out, and obviously the UKLP Facebook group. And big thanks to Andy Mack for the tools, the overlifters and the lever lock tools. Good quality, mate. Thank you.